Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the cosmos to uncover the most horrifying planets ever discovered. Buckle up, because these celestial nightmares are not for the faint of heart. From scorching hot gas giants to planets with atmospheres more toxic than a science fiction thriller, the universe holds a special place for worlds that would make even the bravest astronaut think twice. Get ready to explore the dark side of planetary science, where beauty and terror collide in the most spectacular ways. Let's journey into the abyss. Our first stop takes us to HD 189733b, a seemingly serene blue planet located about 63 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula. But don't let its azure beauty fool you. This gas giant, larger than Jupiter, orbits its star at a scorchingly close distance. The intense heat creates a truly hellish environment. Imagine winds whipping around the planet at 7 times the speed of sound. That's terrifying enough, right? But here's the real kicker. HD 189733b rains glass. And not just a gentle drizzle, mind you. We're talking sideways sheets of molten glass propelled by those supersonic winds. That beautiful blue color? It's not the reflection of a tranquil ocean, it's the scattering of light by silicate particles, the building blocks of glass high in the atmosphere. This isn't a world you'd want to visit, even in the most robust spacecraft. Imagine trying to navigate those winds while being pelted with shards of molten glass. HD 189733b serves as a stark reminder that appearances can be deceiving and the universe is full of surprises. Deadly, terrifying surprises. Next, we venture to the constellation Auriga, a region of the sky that has fascinated astronomers for centuries. This constellation, named after the charioteer, is home to many intriguing celestial objects. Among these we find WASP-12b, a planet that could be described as a cosmic tragedy in action. This distant world, located about 870 light-years away from Earth, offers a dramatic glimpse into the destructive power of its star. This gas giant is locked in a deadly dance with its star, a dance that will ultimately lead to its demise. The gravitational forces at play create a cosmic ballet, a mesmerizing yet fatal interaction between the planet and its star. WASP-12b is what astronomers call a hot Jupiter, a type of exoplanet that is similar in size and composition to Jupiter, but orbits very close to its star. So close, in fact, that its year is just a little over 1 Earth day. This proximity subjects the planet to extreme conditions, but here's the catch. WASP-12b is being devoured. The intense gravitational pull of its star is tearing the planet apart, bit by bit. The intense gravity of its star is pulling WASP-12b apart, creating a swirling disk of superheated planetary material that's slowly being consumed. This material forms a glowing halo around the star, a testament to the planet's ongoing destruction. Imagine being stretched and squeezed, your atmosphere boiling away into the void. The planet's outer layers are being stripped away, leaving behind a trail of gas and debris. This process, known as tidal disruption, is a stark reminder of the power of gravity in the universe. The same force that keeps our feet on the ground is capable of tearing entire planets apart. WASP-12b is literally being stretched into oblivion. The planet's shape is distorted, elongated by the relentless gravitational forces. The atmosphere of WASP-12b is a chaotic mix of carbon monoxide and other exotic elements, heated to extreme temperatures. These conditions create a hostile environment far removed from the life-sustaining atmosphere of Earth. It's a toxic cocktail that would spell instant doom for any life form that dared to venture near. The searing heat and poisonous gases make WASP-12b one of the most inhospitable places in the universe. WASP-12b is a chilling example of the violent life cycle of stars and planets, where even the largest celestial bodies can be torn apart by the unrelenting forces of the cosmos. This dramatic process highlights the dynamic and often destructive nature of our universe. The story of WASP-12b serves as a powerful reminder of the fragility of planets in the face of cosmic forces. It is a vivid illustration of how the universe is in a constant state of flux, with creation and destruction happening on a grand scale. Chapter 3. Gliese 581c, a super-Earth's dark secret. Our search for horrifying planets now takes us to Gliese 581c, a super-Earth located about 20 light-years away in the constellation Libra. This planet, with a mass several times that of Earth, orbits a red dwarf star in what's known as the habitable zone. Now you might be thinking, habitable zone? That doesn't sound so bad. And you'd be right, in theory. The habitable zone is the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. But Gliese 581c has a dark secret. It's tidally locked to its star, meaning one side always faces the searing heat while the other is shrouded in eternal darkness. Imagine a world where the sun never sets, where the surface is a scorching desert baked by relentless radiation. Now picture the other side, a frozen wasteland locked in perpetual night. But the horrors don't end there. Scientists believe that Gliese 581c's atmosphere could be incredibly dense, trapping heat and creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Think Venus on steroids. So, while Gliese 581c might technically be in the habitable zone, it's anything but hospitable. It's a world of extremes, where life as we know it would face insurmountable challenges. Researchers have used advanced atmospheric models to simulate conditions on Gliese 581c. These models suggest that the planet's atmosphere could be thick with carbon dioxide, leading to extreme greenhouse effects. This would result in surface temperatures soaring to levels far beyond what any known life form could endure. Imagine a landscape dominated by volcanic activity, with rivers of lava and clouds of toxic gases. The air would be thick and suffocating, making it impossible to breathe. The planet's weather would be equally extreme, with violent storms and lightning flashing across the sky. These storms could last for days, if not weeks, creating a chaotic and dangerous environment. Studying exoplanets like Gliese 581c presents numerous challenges. The vast distances involved make direct observation difficult, and scientists must rely on indirect methods to gather data. Telescopes and space probes collect data from light years away, which is then analyzed to infer the planet's characteristics. This process requires sophisticated technology and a deep understanding of astrophysics. Despite these challenges, the study of exoplanets like Gliese 581c is crucial. It helps us understand the diversity of planetary systems in our galaxy and the potential for life beyond Earth. As we continue to explore the cosmos, each discovery brings us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Gliese 581c remains a mysterious and haunting reminder of the vast and varied nature of our universe. Its dark secrets challenge our understanding and fuel our curiosity to keep searching the stars. Chapter 4. Kepler 78b, the Doomed World. Let's journey now to the constellation Cygnus, where we encounter Kepler 78b, a planet that defies explanation. This celestial body has captured the imagination of scientists and astronomers alike. This Earth-sized world orbits its star at an astonishingly close distance, completing an orbit in a mere 8.5 hours. To put that into perspective, you heard that right, 8.5 hours. Imagine if a year on Earth was shorter than the time it takes to finish a typical workday. That means a year on Kepler 78b is shorter than a typical workday here on Earth. This rapid orbit is mind-boggling and almost incomprehensible, but this breakneck speed comes at a terrifying cost. The proximity to its star subjects Kepler 78b to extreme conditions. Kepler 78b is tidally locked to its star, just like Gliese 581c. This means one side of the planet is perpetually facing the star, but because it's so close, the conditions are even more extreme. The temperatures on the star-facing side are estimated to be over 2,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rock. Imagine a world where the surface is a molten ocean of lava, constantly churned by the gravitational pull of its star. This relentless gravitational force creates a hellish environment with molten rock flowing like water, constantly churned by the gravitational pull of its star. It's a scene straight out of Dante's Inferno. It's a scene straight out of Dante's Inferno. The extreme heat and constant churning make it an inhospitable world. But here's the real kicker: Kepler 78b is a mystery. Despite its hellish conditions, its very existence puzzles scientists. Scientists can't explain how a planet of its size could have formed so close to its star. Theories abound, but none are conclusive. It defies our current understanding of planetary formation. Some theories suggest that Kepler 78b was once a gas giant that migrated too close to its star, its atmosphere stripped away. Some theories suggest that Kepler 78b was once a gas giant that migrated too close to its star, its atmosphere stripped away, leaving behind a scorched, molten core. Leaving behind a scorched, molten core. Whatever its origins, Kepler 78b challenges our understanding of how planets form and evolve. Kepler 78b is a haunting reminder that the universe is full of secrets, and some of those secrets are truly terrifying. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. And some of those secrets are truly terrifying. The universe is vast and full of wonders, and Kepler 78b is just one of its many enigmatic marvels. Chapter 5. TRES 2b, the darkest planet. Our final destination takes us to the constellation Draco, home to TRES 2b, a planet so dark it's been dubbed the blacker-than-coal world. This gas giant, slightly larger than Jupiter, reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it. Imagine a world so dark that it absorbs almost all light, a place where shadows would be indistinguishable from the night itself. That's TRES 2b. Scientists believe that TRES 2b's atmosphere could contain light-absorbing chemicals like vaporized sodium and potassium, or even more exotic compounds that we haven't yet discovered. But here's the truly terrifying part. We don't know for sure why TRES 2b is so dark. It's a mystery that continues to baffle astronomers. Some theories suggest that TRES 2b's atmosphere could be so hot that it emits a faint red glow, barely visible to our telescopes. Others propose that the planet's surface is covered in light-absorbing materials. Whatever the reason, TRES 2b stands as a stark reminder that the universe is full of wonders and horrors beyond our current comprehension. It's a place where even light itself can be swallowed whole. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing space content. We've only scratched the surface of the horrifying planets lurking out there in the vast universe. From scorching hot gas giants to worlds shrouded in eternal darkness, the cosmos is full of wonders that will both amaze and terrify. So keep looking up, keep exploring, and never stop questioning the mysteries of the universe. See you next time. Kindly like, share, and follow us for more.